Hello guys. Like the AI index report is out there, and we'll be seeing that what is the revealing things they have in this report. And this report is by the Stanford University and Stanford University Human Centered Artificial Intelligence (HAI) and Artificial Intelligence Index. Both have like they have give this report of the 2024. Okay, so here is the full script of this thing. You can check it out, or you can download the individual chapters. And here are some top takeaways. We will be seeing these takeaways mainly in a very quick format. Okay, you can just like it is 502 pages are there, so it's a lot. But I'm just going to scroll it. Okay. Okay. You can see here, like there is a whole overview, like which date there is a model, and like here is March 14, there is Claude, Claude is here, ChatGPT 4 is there, Stable Diffusion V2 is there. So it is whole lot of information is there. You can just see it like AI beats human on some task, but not at all, not all. Okay. So like there are lot of datas and lot of observations are there. You can see it. You can check it out, and I'll be reading it in more depth, and I'll be telling you chapter wise. Okay, I'll be making it a chapter wise, like how the impact is actually going to happen on the AI and robotics, and that is quite important if you want to develop a mindset about AI and how the AI is going to lead the world. So this is quite a good thing. You can just get it in the link will be in the description. So not to worry, just go on the AI index report. So what it is saying, AI beats human on some tasks, but not on all. Like AI has surpassed human performance on UL on several benchmarks, including some of the image classification, visual reasoning, English understanding. But in the complex task, like you can say in the mathematics task, like visual common sense reasoning, so that is like AI is lagging. But it is we can't say that AI is lagging. AI is not developed that much, or we have not developed the AI that much so that it can able to reason. So of course there are a gap you can say, and actually gap is fulfilling very fastly, and it's really amazing to see in the upcoming months or the years how the AI is going to change all the things. Okay, and industry continues to dominate. Um, Frontier AI research. You can see here, like industry has produced 51 notable machine learning models, where the academia has contributed only 15. And there are 21 notable models resulting from the industry and academia collaboration. So, like it is quite important that academia, like the research, whole research work, will combine with industry and lead to the model production AI, and that will be awesome thing. That will be quite good. Like even you see, like I am seeing on the jobs criterias, they are preferring more PhD and MTech people for the machine learning and like generative AI. So it is like the demand is growing, and PhD people are like in the demand for the machine learning job roles. Fine. So, okay, now thought, let's see. Frontier models get way more expensive. According to the AI index estimates, the training cost of the state of the art models have reached unprecedented levels. Like it takes a lot of money. And how much money it takes? ChatGPT 4 estimated 78 million worth of compute train. So just think, 78 million dollars they are investing in a chat gpt, or Google Gemini has like Google Gemini Ultra has cost 191 million. So like it is really expensive. But like there are small models coming up with a more efficiency, and maybe that will change the whole outlook of the LLMs. Okay, we'll be seeing this thing like how the small models are really dominating. Now the United States leads uh, China, the EU, and the UK. as the leading source of the top AI ML models. Yeah, like it is true. Like AI companies who are in the United States, they are more frequently like releasing the AI models. And like in the European unions, they have the quite a strict law about the AI. But yeah, like it is almost leading. The United States is in the front, then China is there, and then like European Union is there. Then there is UK, United Kingdom is there, and India, like India is nowhere in this category. You know why? Just because we are not very much aware about the AI. Like we are aware that okay, chat gpt is there, but most of the people don't know how to use that, and they are just ignoring the things. Many, like many web developers, android developers are ignoring like AI. But ignorance is not the way. Some people are really integrating with app development with AI, web development with AI, and that is the thing that we have to do. We have to learn the tools. Okay, that is another thing. One thing is that there should be more investment in AI from the India. I think there is one AI, Kritrim AI. So that is quite like it is good. Um, so like many open source communities are taking steps towards making the Indian LLMs, like fine tuning the LLMs like Llama 2, Llama 3, and making fine tuned LLMs. But for the India, we need more computation power and more resources to develop a AI company. And like like government should also support, and the people who we have to be very enthusiastic about this thing. And even I am thinking to make something, but I am in the way. Let's see. Okay. Now, five, robust and standardized evaluation for the LLM responsibility. Uh, are seriously lacking. Yes, that is the quite important thing. Like European Union has uh, a lot of laws, strict laws on the AI, but the whole world is even lacking in the AI standardization. There should be a standard or benchmark so that we can actually see that AI is not getting dangerous or something like that. Although there are a lot of lot of people, a lot of countries are trying to actually evaluate this thing. Let's see how this is going on. Like this practice complicates the efforts to systematically compare the risk and limitations. Okay, so actually there are a lot of benchmarks. Like there are like many benchmarks, like AI, LLM models benchmarks. Let's see, AI ML benchmark. No, not Geek benchmark. There are LLM benchmarks. On the Hugging Face, you can see here a lot of benchmarks are there. Like MMLU is there, I think. So as like as the benchmarks are getting more, like it is tough to see the models like how they are performing on a certain benchmark. So that is the challenge. But let's see what maybe they will make something a standard benchmark for all the AI, and it will be good. Okay, fine. Then generative AI investments skyrocketed. Yes, yes, yes. It is the thing, guys. Like many of the investors have put money, a lot of money in the AI, generative AI, and it is quite famous. Like if you want to, like today is the trend. Even the AI brushes are there. Yeah. So AI brush, I think just search. I'm just AI toothbrush. Yeah, just see. AI toothbrush is there. So it's really mind blowing to see like how the AI is integrating in each and every field, and investors are really investing a lot of money. You can see here near 25.2 billion dollars in the generative AI space, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Hugging Face, Inflection, and a lot of different companies. Now we were talking about the benchmarks, so I think here is the benchmark. And okay, there is, I think, Arc benchmark is there. Then Hella Swag is there. MMLU is there. Truthful QA is there. So a lot of benchmarking is there in the AI. So That is quite a good, like a thing that is making it somewhat complicated to access the evaluation of the LLM. Fine. So the data is in AI makes workers more product. Okay, the data is in AI makes workers more productive and leads to the higher quality work. It is really like I can tell you, like even I am more productive with the chat GPT. I am more like if I have any issue, like if you have any issues with the code or something other things, then you can just go and go to the chat GPT and just write, okay, please teach me this code or write a email for me or something like that. So it is quite helpful and it makes me more productive things. Just see this. Several studies assess that AI's impact on labor, suggesting that AI enables workers to complete tasks more quickly and to improve the quality of their output. And these studies also demonstrated AI potential to bridge the skill gap. Acha, a very interesting use of AI is in the exams. Yes, in the class test or exams, people are really using a chat GPT. Now, like many of the teachers are not doing the open book exams because they know that okay, chat gpt has the answers, like it can find the answers anywhere on the web. So so that is the use case, one of the major use case among the students. Scientific progress or in the like or writing the assignments, you can get very specific questions answers assignments. So on the chat GPT, the answers you can get. Fine, fine. Eight, scientific progress accelerate even further thanks to AI. So in 2022, AI began to advance scientific discovery, and 2023 saw launch of even more significant science-related AI applications from Alpha Dev, which makes the algorithm. Okay, like genome algorithm is there, which facilitates the process of material discovery. Yeah, like this is algorithm. This is actually making the like this is from the Google DeepMind, and this is really awesome, guys. Many of the materials are getting discovered. You can see here millions of new materials discovered with deep learning. Yes. So this is how it is amazing. Deep learning is really deeper, and it has a lot of applications. And even scientists are exploring this thing. Even I am exploring these things. Okay. So the number of AI regulation in the United States sharply increases. It's quite good. Like, the regulations should be increased so that there will be not very much misuse. Like there are deep fakes, deep fake pawns are there even, which are very trending. So that is there should be a lot of regulations on these things so that we can have a safe society. Fine, and the last one is people across the globe are more cognizant of AI potential effect and more nervous. Yeah. So like people are somewhat nervous, as you can see that the you can see like the placements are decreasing. Yes, placements are decreasing. The job market is getting down. So that is a concerning thing about the people. Like people are really concerned that how AI will going to impact. But like any technology come and it replaces a lot of jobs, but it gives a lot of jobs also. So what we have to do in this era of AI, you have to be always upgrade yourself. Yes, you have to upgrade yourself. You don't have to like, okay, I have learned the C++ web development and okay, I will be living the whole life on it. No, you have to integrate AI into it. So that will give you extra edge in this era. This era is not static. It is quite dynamic. And the growth is quite what I say, the growth of the AI is almost 90-degree. Yes, it is not taking much time. Of course, the in between the time gap is there, but it is quite fast. So if you are in the any other fields, then try to incorporate AI. Like even AI word has a lot of weightage. If you are adding AI to a product, its hype is increased. So that is quite amazing thing. So I hope you like this video. You have gained something idea about what the AI is going and where it is going. Link in the description. You can just go and explore it. Thank you so much, guys. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel for the further AI news. Thank you so much.